Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Find the contact which you'd like to edit and then tap on it. And tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon. All you have to do is to tap on this add picture or this circle, it doesn't really matter. And here we've got some categories from which we can choose the photo from. So here we've got our own gallery, we can enter it and choose our own photo. We can also open the camera app immediately, so we can take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. Google Photos, where we've got our backed up photos. Monogram, so we can choose the first letter of the name or the surname and change the color of the background or the font. You can also tap on it and delete it and write whatever you want to, whatever initials you want to. And the illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online. So if you do not have a photo of this person, you can try to find something interesting here. So let me tap on this one, for example. Here you've got also the presets, so you can change the colors, which are quite nice. Moreover, it doesn't matter whether you will choose the illustrations or your own photo, or you will take a photo here. You will be able to zoom it in or out. You can change the position of the photo or size of this highlighted circle, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and then tap on choose and tap on save in the right upper corner. So this is how our contact will look like. Of course you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.